Back to the channel. This is gonna be the OPPO Find X9 Ultra first video test with the 4K 60. So there is a setting inside the camera for the video telling you change automatically the lenses during video, and when you turn these off it's not gonna change them. So apparently if you want to change all the lenses, keep that unselected. All right, so well, let's try to see some, and I'm gonna start with an ultra wide. And the first thing I'd like to see is the switch from the ultra wide to the 1x. Okay, how soft is this? So ultra wide 1x, the main sensor, this captures a lot of light. All right, and now we can do 2x, still a crop from the main, and now the first zoom camera. And that's one of the interesting things with this phone. This is 200 megapixel, all right? So 1x and then 3x. You can see there is a shift. And now until 6x and until 9.9, this is actually using the same camera. But when I go to 10x, we do another change. 50 megapixel 10x optical zoom camera is back. And it ain't looking bad, guys. And I can do as much as 30. And oh my God, this looks amazing. All right, so let's do a little zoom lens cycle to see how it behaves. All right, I can see, yeah, it's a bit rocky, right? But just because the phone is changing 4 individual cameras from the ultra wide to the 1x to the 3x to the 10x, all right, and it's not so good in terms of fluidity. But overall, I think the quality is quite nice. Let me give you 10x here. All right, and by the way, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna slowly go to 9.1. So this is using the 3x camera, and now 10x, you see? There is this very little zoom change. And I think this is important because people don't really get 10x optical zoom that much nowadays. I'm gonna do this one more time. Pay attention to the building, okay? I'm gonna do 3x, all right? We do a change. And then I'm gonna show you like what I do with, okay, here. 10.9, you see this is still 3x, and then when I arrive at 10x, this is where the first change occurs. Okay, see, zoom camera 3x and 10x. Okay, again 3x 10x. This is when I change from 9.9 to 10x. What about the stabilization, guys? Let's try first with the front camera. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Back camera, ultra wide. All right, it is a heavy phone, 1x. Can we stabilize 3x? And let's see 10x. Okay, I mean 10x obviously doesn't make sense. Let's test again the zoom camera. Look at this gentleman on 10x. All right, you see the change here, 10x, 3x. You see, definitely the moment I engage with 10x, the video quality is just so good, at least on the viewfinder. It's very crisp and it's very sharp. Let's see how close we can get. All right. Yeah, maybe with the ultra wide I can go pretty close with that ultra wide. Wow. All right, not that bad. And this is 1x and this is 3x. Take a look at this, 6x, 10x. Now I think there is some kind of like a macro mode, and it's gonna go back to the ultra wide, I guess. Let me just do this one more time. Take a look at the sky one more time. 0.6, 1, 10x. Wow. I think the change happens on 9.9. Yeah, 9.8 actually for the video. So until 9.7 it's 3x, and then at 9.8 we go to the optical zoom, and you can see this thing here, guys. This is it. Let's do 20x. So crisp. Let's do 30x. That's just amazing, guys. I'm gonna show you some moving cars. The zoom really impresses when there is enough light. Let's try to test it again on some passing cars. Focus there, 0.6, 10x. One more time, 30x. And then 0.6. And then 10x. And then 0.6. Know what you think down below in the comments, as I'm starting to unravel the mysteries of the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. I have already my SIM card inside. Connectivity, banking apps, everything's working, but you know it's a Chinese phone, so don't expect all things to work. There's gonna be some limitations, obviously. I'm going to do soon a globalized video, how you can enhance your experience with a China phone and make it a bit more like a global phone. Yeah, you cannot really go 100% global, but you can get pretty close. Yes guys, 1x, 3x, 10x, so crisp. Can we see the map? I think we absolutely can, guys, yeah? Not bad. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. It's gonna be more.